Yeah, I know. I was following you.
Oh, and it's gonna jump out.
I know. Anytime now. Jaden, it's all right.
I'm actually too scared. Too quiet right now. Too scared. Is that a person or a mannequin?
No, I think that's a person.
I can't believe we're entering.
Yeah, that's a person, Lexi.
My throat is gonna be so sore.
At least I closed my eyes and didn't look at
Open
it.
your eyes! Open your eyes, Jaden, come on. Which way do we go?
Wait, there's someone over there.
Wait, which way do we go?
This way. There's somebody standing there.
I
Look.
see it. Oh, gosh.
No, I don't think it's moving. It's
Oh, we gotta go around. Yeah, something. Papa, are your eyes open? Come on, you can do it.
I'm actually too scared.
It's okay. Look, see.
I actually think the first is kind of
Uh-oh. Yeah. Slow down or we're gonna...
Well, you go first then.
Oh, they stay with you. Uh-oh, look, there's something laying down right. Oh gosh, are you watching? I know, there's something.
Scared of girl. You better watch out.
Uh-oh. Ew, look at this nasty fridge. There's a snake in there. No,